In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a personal branding website with Strikingly 2025. First, head to strikingly.com and click sign up. You can register with your email or use Google or Facebook if you prefer a faster start. Once you're in, Strikingly automatically takes you to the website builder so you can begin right away. To start building, you'll see two paths. The recommended path is choose a template. Browse designs under business, personal, store, or portfolio, and pick one that reflects your brand's vibe. Templates are fully editable, so focus on layout and feel rather than perfection. If you want a blank canvas, choose blank site to start from scratch. Next, name your website. Enter a site name and hit create. Don't stress, this can be changed later, so choose something simple and relevant to your brand. Now let's edit content using the left side editor. Click any text on the page and start typing to introduce who you are, what you do, and how people can contact you. Keep copy concise and benefit focused. To change images, click an image and select Replace. Upload your own photos for authenticity, or pick from stock images if you're getting started. Aim for high-resolution visuals and consistent styling. Build structure by adding or removing sections. Click Add section and choose from options like banner, about, services, gallery, contact, or testimonials. Use these to showcase your expertise, your work, and client feedback. You can drag sections to reorder them until your story flows naturally from top to bottom. Make the design yours under styles. Choose a color palette, font style, and button style that match your brand. For readability, stick to two fonts and ensure color contrast is accessible on both light and dark backgrounds. Enhance your site with optional features, add a contact form so visitors can reach you, buttons and links for calls to action, social media icons to connect your profiles, a simple online store if you sell products or services, and a newsletter sign up to grow your audience. Set your domain before going live. On the free plan, your site uses a your site strikingly.com address. On paid plans, you can connect a custom domain and remove Strikingly branding for a more professional look. Preview your site and check both desktop and mobile views. Strikingly sites are mobile responsive by default, but it's still smart to scan for long lines, image cropping, and button spacing. Finally, click Publish. Your website goes live instantly. Keep iterating, update content, refine visuals, and add testimonials as you grow your brand.